7. And in southern Utah, at St. George, it was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 34. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Forest Service Utah Avalanche Center. This avalanche warning is for the mountains around Logan, including the Bay River and Wellsville ranges. Heavy snow and strong winds overloaded, buried weak layers creating dangerous avalanche conditions at upper elevations. Avoid and stay out from under obvious or historic avalanche paths above 8,000 feet in elevation. This warning does not include ski areas or highways, where avalanche control is normally done. For more information, visit www.avalanche.org or call 1-888-999-4019. Now here is the hazardous weather